Hello, so in this video I want to show you how to give admin access on a LinkedIn page. So the first thing you want to do is go to the top section where it says home and click on that one. And then you want to go to the left where you can see your business pages. And for me, I have this Daniel's Tutorials. So I click on that one. And here I got a lot of settings I can choose from. But for this one, I want to go down to the bottom and click on settings. And here I want to go to the section where it says Manage Admins and click on the arrow here. So after you clicked on Manage Admins, you now got the opportunity to add an admin. So I want to click on Add an Admin. So I search for the person I want to add, and in this occasion it's a guy called Sebastian. And I want to give him the sub-admin role. You can also choose the content admin role and the analyst role, but for this I want to be the sub-admin. And I click on Save. And now you can see we got a new page admin and all the admins will be on this list.